Okay, this little guy has been lying down on the ground, so flies have laid eggs on it, and if I don't get them out, they will turn into maggots, and the maggots burrow into the animal and kills them. So it's imperative that I get to the fly eggs as quickly as possible. A flea comb for dogs is a wonderful tool. I can use it and get all the fly eggs off of this little guy, and I've got formula ready to feed him because he's hungry, and he's let me know he's hungry. And he said, "Where's that bottle?" There we go.
Go ahead.
Baby's upright. Do not put it on its back because it will aspirate. And just let him start sucking, and once he realizes it tastes good, he's going to, that doesn't taste bad at all. There you go. Oh, he said that was good.
So this squirrel just came in, that's his first feeding.
This is his first feeding, yeah. So he's on a very weak formula.